subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Samsung has launched its new clamshell design phone globally called Galaxy Z Flip 4, and it is the successor of the last year launched Galaxy Z Flip 3 with new features. Talking about the specifications, the Galaxy Z Flip 4 features a tall 6.7-inch Full HD Plus Dynamic AMOLED 2x foldable display with up to 120Hz adaptive refresh rate support, and it has a large 22:9 aspect ratio. And there is also 1.9-inch secondary Super AMOLED display on the top that shows time and notifications, and it can even perform other tasks as well. The phone is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 chipset paired with Adreno 730 GPU. As per the storage, the smartphone packs with 8GB of LPDDR5 RAM and 128, 256 or 512GB of UFS 3.1 storage. In terms of camera, the Galaxy Z Flip 4 supports a dual camera setup on the rear that includes one 12MP main camera with f1.8 aperture, and it supports optical image stabilization for stable video recording, and there is another 12MP ultra wide angle lens with 123° field of view. The rear cameras of the phone can capture 4K videos at 60 frames per second. At the front, it has 10MP selfie camera under the hole punch at the top center with f2.4 aperture. The device comes backed by 3700 mAh battery with 25 watts wired, 15 watt wireless and 4.5 watts reverse wireless charging support. On the software front, the handset turns on latest Android 12 out of the box with One UI 4.1.1 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, and it comes with IPX8 rating for dust and water resistance. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS, NFC and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 84.9 by 71.9 by 17.1mm while folded and 165.2 by 71.9 by 6.9mm while unfolded, and it weighs around 187 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Galaxy Z Flip 4 price starts at $999, and it is set to go on sale starting from August 26th in some selected markets across the world in blue, Bora purple, graphite and pink gold color options. So what do you guys think of this Galaxy Z Flip 4 smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.